The 2025 Caterpillar D10 Bulldozer is engineered for maximum productivity and efficiency, offering outstanding power, reliability, and versatility in the most demanding conditions. As a key player in Caterpillar's fleet, this model promises durability and performance with a modern, user-friendly interface. Whether used for grading, excavation, or clearing, the D10 delivers consistent results. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 Caterpillar D10 is built for strength and functionality. The dozer features a rugged steel frame with reinforced components designed to withstand harsh environments. Its wide undercarriage and tracks are optimized for better stability, allowing it to maintain traction on uneven terrains. The D10's design is streamlined for improved fuel efficiency and ease of maintenance, making it a cost-effective option for large projects. The machine also boasts a new cab design, offering better visibility and a more comfortable working environment for operators. The spacious cabin includes climate control, ergonomic controls, and advanced electronics for monitoring the bulldozer's systems in real time. The exterior features are not only about functionality but also improve the overall longevity of the machine. Performance. The performance of the 2025 D10 Bulldozer is unparalleled, powered by a robust Cat C27 Acert engine that produces exceptional horsepower while maintaining lower fuel consumption. This engine meets the latest environmental standards, ensuring that the machine complies with emissions regulations. The bulldozer is equipped with an advanced hydraulic system that offers precise control, quick response times, and an efficient use of power. The D10 can handle a variety of tasks, including large-scale earth moving, trenching, and material handling. With various blade configurations available, it is adaptable to different working conditions, allowing operators to optimize performance for specific job needs. The hydraulic system is further enhanced with advanced load sensing technology, providing smoother operation and more efficient power distribution. The D10's powertrain system is matched perfectly to the engine's output, ensuring high productivity without compromising fuel efficiency. Price and cost effectiveness. The price of the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Bulldozer varies depending on configuration and region. On average, the cost of this model starts at around $650,000, though it can go higher depending on the specifications, additional attachments, and upgrades. While the initial investment may be significant, the D10 offers long-term cost effectiveness due to its durability, fuel efficiency, and productivity capabilities. Its reliability and low maintenance requirements ensure that it remains a valuable asset to any fleet. The total cost of ownership is minimized through smart design choices like efficient fuel consumption and minimal downtime for maintenance. Caterpillar also offers extended warranties and service plans to keep the bulldozer running smoothly for many years, ensuring a solid return on investment for companies. Safety features. Safety is a top priority in the design of the 2025 Caterpillar D10 Bulldozer. The machine is equipped with various safety systems to protect both operators and workers on the job site. A robust ROPS rollover protection system cab structure protects the operator in the event of a rollover. Additionally, the dozer is fitted with a rear-view camera and radar sensors to help operators avoid blind spots and navigate tight areas safely. The advanced braking system and emergency stop features ensure the machine is able to stop quickly in case of an emergency. The machine also comes with an integrated monitoring system that alerts operators to potential issues with the engine, transmission, or other critical components, preventing costly downtime and improving safety. To further enhance safety, the 2025 D10 includes features like anti-slip surfaces on steps and walkways, along with a well-lit working environment. These measures reduce the likelihood of accidents and improve overall site safety. Overall conclusion. The 2025 Caterpillar D10 Bulldozer is a powerhouse designed to meet the needs of demanding industries such as mining, construction, and heavy-duty earthmoving. With a strong, durable exterior, cutting-edge performance capabilities, a focus on safety, and a price point that offers excellent value for its capabilities, the D10 remains one of the most trusted machines in its class. Whether on large construction projects or in tough mining environments, the D10 ensures that operators can complete jobs efficiently, safely, and with minimal environmental impact.